welcome back to the channel. Wait, do you hear something? No, wait, Potter. That's right, I got Lil Gleemerz. So, I got this from a store. I don't remember, but I think her name's Adore Bright. I think I'm gonna rename her to Adore Galore because she looks like Adore Galore. Whoa. Okay, so let me get my scissors. It says right here that me, Lil Gleemerz, the adorable fun makers with rainbow light tails who love to play games and talk to you. Lil Gleemerz lived in a secret cave and explored Orbis. Until one day, a few adventurous kids discovered them. Now Lil Gleemerz are lighting up kids' lives with fun and friendship. And they can't wait to be BFFs with you. So it says here, pat my head to find out what I'll do. Play games with my light up tail. Clap or play for a light party. And it says right here, I light up, press my nose. So I press her.
I know what you're thinking.
Oh.
I'm cute, right?
Yes, I am very thinking that. Okay, let's get this open. How do I do this? Okay, I don't know how to do this. Maybe do I start from here and then start cutting you out? This is what I'm doing. Skip ahead if you want because this is going to probably take forever. Ow. Aren't you that probably close?
Wait, now do you want me to do that for you? That's dangerous.
Oh yeah, sure. Sister, I'm not going to say your name, sister, because you're going to go in the camera. So here you go.
Okay,
I have a sister. She's gonna do it. Skip ahead. Skip ahead.
Good Lord, these scissors.
You want me to get you new scissors from the kitchen?
It's okay, I don't care. That's a food, Lynn.
No questions.
Wait, just
Okay. I just have like something. Oh, yay.
Sorry, Lynn, I put the packaging can't.
It's okay.
Oh, good Lord, it got stuck on me.
This goes in the trash bin. Oh my gosh, this is cute little stand. Before first time use, like try switch on to the on position. Light to the mode. This is some instructions. This is a board that she'll sit standing on. You put that there. Boom. Ah.
There you go.
Thank you, V.
Yeah, no, you only want. I'm joking.
Thank you, sister. My sister, she says I owe her a bunch. But she said she's just kidding, so I don't owe her anything.
Okay.
I just kidding. I want to owe you for doing this for me.
I was just kidding.
Okay. She has a long tail, doesn't she?
Oh God, just imagine how many people touch that nose.
Adore Glore.
I don't care about your stupid doors.
No.
I just wanted to do it just so I could destroy this disgusting girl packaging. I was just kidding, Lynn.
Okay.
It's cute, but I just not a big fan of girly stuff, you know.
Are you a tomboy?
Learn not say.
Thank you. So
I-
this is the Lil Gleemerz.
Oh God.
Don't worry, I'll cut you out. I don't think I can, but my sister doesn't like being in camera. So this is it. I don't know what to do, but so let me touch. So let's start. Okay, here are the instructions. She has such a long tail. Do-do-do-do. So this is it. So let's hang out and play. Press the Lil Gleemerz toggle modes until your Lil Gleemerz says, let's hang out and play. Okay.
I have a rainbow tail, and I'm not afraid to use it. Zoinks! Just to live in the gleam. All the feels. Let's have a light party. Hey, you. I know what you're thinking. That I'm cute, right? I have a rainbow tail,
Hold on.
and I'm not afraid to use it.
Hold on, let me do something.
Night, friend. Let's hang out and play.
Okay, so light up party mode. Press the nose to toggle mode till your Gleemerz says, let's have a party. Clap or play music and your friend will react to the beat by playing on the input.
I'll play some music then.
Okay, my sister's playing music. Look at her, isn't she adorable?
Alright guys, eat this one, be careful and sit, okay?
Okay, so my dad's here,
I have a rainbow tail, and I'm not afraid to use it.
and my dad just brought us cherries. Please close the door, Dad.
Okay.
Thank you, I'm making a video. Me, stop. She's doing something from YouTube. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
See, she doesn't even like it.
Jeez, man, why do you have to be so mean? Goofy.
Stop, she thinks it's boring.
Okay, fine, I'll play some better
Okay.
music.
No, don't.
Ask me a yes or no question.
Press. Who do you,
My answer is absolutely.
I didn't even say anything. Oh, maybe. Okay, so game mode. Press the nose until the tongue is. Let's play a game, okay?
Let's have a light party.
Oh wait, the light party. Let's have a light. No. Stop.
Let's play a game.
Okay.
Let's play stop on the spot. Pinch my tail when the bouncing light hits the target. Press my tail to start.
I touched it.
Okay.
Hello, Father.
Okay, cái này đúng không? Thì con giặt.
Sorry, it's my Vietnamese family.
Oh, this
Your
low
Vietnamese
rain
family.
is making me sleepy. Press my tail to start.
I'm losing.
Let's play tail tennis. Pinch my tail to bounce the lights back to
Hold
me.
on.
Wake me up. Wake me up since I can't
Stop.
wake up. Wake me.
My sister's annoying.
Yeah, you're annoying me, Mother. I love
I'm
you.
just kidding. Okay, my nose is hot. This is how you change both. It's a toggle key.
Let's hang out and play. Let's have a light party. Let's play a game. Let's hang out and play.
Yeah.
Mwah. Mwah. Ah, yeah. Zoinks. Mwah.
Rub my head back and forth.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Unicorn.
Unicorn who?
Unicorny. But I like you.
I don't know, get it.
And she just called you corny. Wow.
My grandma's telling me to... My grandma was... My Vietnamese grandma was telling me to go take a shower. Tap my forehead.
Mwah.
Đi tắm hai đứa. Rồi
Why
giờ
you
là
have to do you have to do studying? Why?
I'm doing something. Press and hold forehead and back of head. Later! Then we'll do it later.
Hey, where'd you go?
I'm right here. See me? Press hard head and foot.
Kisses for my bestie. Mwah.
Ew.
Press and hold
Ew.
back of head.
Just stop online dating.
I'm not.
You're online dating.
I'm not.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Canoe.
Panu
Can you
who?
pet my head?
Sure.
Ew. What the heck?
That tickles. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
I'm a koala.
I'm a koala who?
I'm a qualified to make you laugh.
I don't get it. Pinch still one. Okay, let's go to back. Well, guys, I'll be doing this in the meantime to play with this. But I just wanted to review my new toy. Comment down below what I should name her. And kisses for everyone. Peace out, lol. Just kidding. Go. And if you see this in the store, make sure to press her nose. Peace out.